Hey everyone, it's me, Lene. Today I'm going to show you how to get, it's like a cat eye, it's a colorful cat eye look with the Alice in Wonderland palette. And I also used Ella Mosca and the BH palette. So this is the look. These are the lips. I felt like doing a little bit of coral, something with orange, something really fun and playful today. So I hope you like the video. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I used NYX eyeshadow base and I put it all over the eye. I've already taken my Sonia Kashuk in Fleshy Matte eyeshadow and placed that all over. You're just gonna take a brush like this or any eyeliner brush, something with a really fine tip. I like this one because it's kind of angled, so you can go around the eye like that. I took the Aqua Black by Makeup Forever and I just kind of lined it from here going up. I'm using the Alice in Wonderland palette, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm going to take Oil Slick, also known as Jabberwocky, in the palette, and I'm just going to go right over the line and kind of bring it up. So now I'm going to take Mushroom right here. I'm using the same brush. I'm going to bring it from here going up like that. So notice how both colors are kind of blended together and they reach at a point. I'm going to take a brush like this. I'm going to take Ella Mosca in Bronx, which is this color right here. And I'm just going blend it out like that and bring it back like that. So next thing I'm going to do is take Queen, which is this maroon looking color right here. And I'm going to take my angled fluff brush and I'm going to turn it in like this and I'm going to go right into the crease. And then I'm going to take Oraculum, this color right here. I'm just going to bring it in the inner corner of my eye. Like that. Using my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take this shimmery yellow. And I'm going to use that to highlight. And I'm going to take a matte color and I'm going to bring the matte color right in the front. Okay, so I've already removed my tape. I'm taking my Sephora brand waterproof eyeliner pencil in turquoise. I'm going to line underneath. So I've lined underneath, and then I'm going to take this color here, Alice, from the Alice in Wonderland palette, and I'm going to powder right over halfway, and then I'm going to take Absalom, and I'm going to blend this green right into the blue. Okay, so now I have my eyelashes on, so I'm going to take Dior Show's Iconic in blue, and I'm just going to go over the lash like that, kind of blend my lashes into my false lashes. And then I'm going to take Bourjois. This is like an electric blue, and I'm going to use this on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to take the Touche Clot. This is in Ivory, number 2. I'm using a sponge, and I'm just going to dab it right under my eye. area and blend it all the way out this way. I'm going to take my Napoleon bronzer, and this is in French Riviera, with an angled blush brush. I'm going to take it from here and I'm going to bring it down. I'm now taking my tapered blush brush and Pravella by Kevyn Aucoin, and right on the apples of the cheek, I'm just going to blush. I'm going to take Honor by MAC, and right here, add a little shimmer. So I know there's a lot of lip tar lovers out there, so you should know with the lip tar, just a little bit. It has, what is it called? Not mineral oil, cannabis? I forget. It has a certain type of oil in there that kind of gives it its slip, so just a little goes a long way. It's castor oil and hemp oil. Then I'm going to take Dior Kiss lip gloss in, color is this, Mango Soda. I'm just going to use a little bit of that, and I'm going to put it right there.